Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can upload your photo in Collect. Maybe you want to store your photos in Collect but you don't know how. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can upload your photo in your Collect. Please check the description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Collect application. Once you open your Collect application, you will just simply need to tap on this plus icon. And in here, you will see an add an item. Since you are adding a photos, tap on these photos or videos. Once you tap it, simply select the photos that you want to upload. For example, I'd like to upload this photo. I'll just tap on it. And as you can see in here, you have add to. For now, we will just select this sort later. And as you can see, item added to your sort later. There you go. If you wanted to know how to upload photos and Collect, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to upload your photos and Collect, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.